Hey guys,
Hello.
we're back. This is pre-recorded, by the way, so you don't. It's not today when you see it, but it'll be today when. Today, I don't know. Today's today. Oh my gosh, these. Okay, so through Scentbird, these are $15 a piece, I believe. I don't know how I ended up with 3, but I did. We've got the Burberry Brit EDT. So that's one kind we got.
It's got notes of almond, vanilla, lime, sugar, and pear. Sounds like it smells very good.
Let's see who has that scent.
I have Daisy Dream.
Love High.
They're pretty cool. They come in a cardboard tube with a cap
Here,
and then glass.
but that's not what they come with a case. I just didn't order another case because I already have one, and they want $10 a piece for them. This will be my last Scentbird, by the way, guys. I didn't even think it was gonna ship out or anything because, so it just, you put this in here and screw it up. I mean, down when you have it in your purse or whatever. Huh?
Almost like a glue stick.
Like a glue stick, lipstick, whatever you want to call it. Where's the Burberry? Okay, you're gonna spray it. Oh, what am I doing? I'm trying to put that cap on this thing.
It smells spicy.
Does it? Where's the card at? Oh, it smells good. When you just get a whiff of it and not have to keep it under your nose. You like that?
I can't smell it. I only smell the.
That is the same thing that you had on.
You know what I'm saying? I think the stronger smell stick in my nose, but it smells. I only smell.
She's having problems with her allergies, I think is what it is. But
yeah.
the Burberry smells really good. I have never used Burberry, but I know a lot of people on YouTube just adore it. So.
Okay, next up is Marc Jacobs Daisy Dream. White balance, there you go. It's got blackberry, jasmine, and white woods. Which has a picture of an annoying. No, that's a tree. Yeah, I can't smell anything.
I don't smell anything either. That one's really sweet.
Mm-hmm.
I really like that one. I think I like it more than the Burberry, but the Burberry is tasty.
Tasty. I'm gonna drink it. Then we got Confessions of a Rebel, Love High. It's got peach, orange flower, jasmine, sandalwood, and apple. We'll see about that. Should we use absorbent paper? It smells mildly floral to me.
It smells good. I just I don't smell what they say it should smell like. It's a very light scent, which I wasn't expecting because for $15 you should get highly scented perfume. So that was our Scentbird. Which if you want to try high-end perfumes, Scentbird is probably the way to go. See if you like the scent before you buy it. If you're someone like me and you can't leave your house very much, then you can't go to a store and smell it. So Scentbird is just really good for that.
I can kind of smell some fruity in there. A little bit.
And why my ear hurts so bad.
Okay, guys, I think, is that it we have for this video?
Oh. Yes, that's it for this video.
Okay. Goodbye, guys.
We love you. Stay out of trouble. We'll see you soon.
Bye.